Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Elasticity problems are simple if you follow these steps. We will solve this price change question together right now. Let's go. First, we need to find the percentage change in price. Subtract 200 from 220 to get 20, then divide by 200. That gives us a 10% increase. Next, we take the 20% decrease in quantity demanded and divide it by our 10% price increase. This calculation gives us a price elasticity coefficient of exactly 2.0. Since the coefficient of 2 is greater than 1, demand is relatively elastic. Option B is the correct answer. You crushed this economics problem. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps for success.